completely smooth out.
A lot of people, they have engines and they have a problem, they give me a call wondering what's going on with it. A lot of Chrysler 4-liter Jeep, there's a million of them on the road. Long, straight, 6-cylinder heads that warp. They'll bring the cylinder head in usually within 24 hours. We have the head cleaned, MagnaFlux to check it for cracks, we'll pressure test it, we'll resurface it and do a valve job, back to them in 24 hours, 90% of the time. If you have to order parts and they're coming out of New York, of course it's going to take a little bit longer, but usually not much. I have some good warehouses. So if you need to find us, just Google The Big Machine, Sarasota, Florida.